Hi, it's me!
Hey, you sound excited. Great news?
Yeah, I went to a business meeting with my boss yesterday. I made a presentation on our new product, and on our way back, she told me that my presentation was anything but successful. She liked my presentation, right?
I guess not. It sounds to me like there was something wrong. Hi everyone! Welcome to SandJ English. Our lesson today is for high-level students. We are going to look at two phrases. Nothing but and anything but. They look similar, but the meanings are quite different. If you understand the basic concept, they are not difficult. Now, let's look at how they are used. First, let's look at nothing but. Here's an example sentence. He likes nothing but fishing. Nothing but A means only A. So this sentence means he likes only fishing, nothing else. Let's analyze it a little more. When but comes after a word like no, any, every, all, none, it means except. So, in this sentence, but fishing means except fishing. Look at the diagram. Fishing is in the center. By but fishing, we are talking about the red area outside it. And the sentence says that there is nothing in the red area. As I said earlier, what the sentence is trying to say is that only fishing is the thing he likes. As we know, he likes nothing means the same as he doesn't like anything. So, we can change our original sentence as follows. He doesn't like anything but fishing. The meaning is the same. Fishing is the only thing he likes. Now we will look at anything but with a positive verb. Let's think about a similar example. He likes anything but fishing. Anything but A means anything else except A, or not A, or A is not the case. So this sentence means he likes anything, but he doesn't like fishing. In other words, he likes anything except fishing. As I said, but after any means except. So again, but fishing refers to the red area in the diagram. And in this case, the sentence says it can be anything like B, C, or D. What this means is that he may like B, C, or D, but he doesn't like fishing. Let's come back to the opening dialogue. Jenny's boss said that her presentation was anything but successful. So it means successful is not the word to describe the presentation. In other words, Jenny's presentation was not successful, and the boss was not happy about it. Now, Let's make sure if you understand the difference. Let's practice. Look at these two sentences. 1. The aim of his life is nothing but making money. 2. The aim of his life is anything but making money. Which sentence should be used if he doesn't care about making money? That's right! Number 2 is the correct answer. So, what does sentence number 1 mean? You got it. It means he cares only about making money. Good practice. Our final sentence is: I don't like anything but SandJ English. If you say so, should I be pleased or not? Let me know in the comment section. See you! Thanks for watching, everyone! Are you ready for some more practice?